My good people for BBC Pidgin, on a good morning. We dey come to on a live from Eleme, particularly we there for the refinery junction, the Port Harcourt Refinery Junction, where youths from Eleme and surrounding communities, they protest. They don't block the road. This one are day 2 of the protest. They don't block the road, say make federal government come construct this east-west road because the road it don't spoil, the road it don't bad. And so from this place up to Akbajo Junction, if you're familiar with this road, and even further down, it is totally blocked. The protest starts from yesterday until today. We still see say the protest they continue. So from this place where we there now, this road is one very strategic road because now they lead Port Harcourt, River State to other neighboring community states like Akwa Ibom and Cross River. So people they travel, they go that side. Now this road that they follow. This road they also link up, River Southeast Senatorial District. And the Senatorial District gets like 8 local government areas. So the whole of Ogoni land, then they form that this side, Okrika, Alpobo and Andoni local government areas. Okrika gets Okrika and then Ogubolo. So these are the roads where they lead to all those areas. And as they see I'm so, economic activities don't end. Anything economic activities for this area, it don't end. Since yesterday, no movement, only bike men fit they move. Okada and keke riders. Now then way they waka for this road. So we see the people them here and they demand to say this east-west road where government don't already award. Then they ask make federal government mobilize the contractor where they don't give the contract to construct this road. Say make income do the road. Because the road don't fail, and this one now don't affect, the other internal roads for the community. So because this road they bad, portions of this road they bad, it they affect the other one because vehicles get to divert, go the other places, and that one said don't spoil the internal roads where they for the community. So now this place now where we dey, this side they lead you to the Port Harcourt Refinery. And then if you go straight ahead from this place where these vehicles they don't block, you go into Thai, you go into Kana and Gokana. And then further down go take you to Akwa Ibom, Cross River. And then you also from there reach other local government areas like Okobon Koro, Ogubolo, Africa, and of course Andoni local government areas of River State. Now, this area also gets the unearthed oil and gas free zone. So all these huge revenue earners for the country, then they're for this side, and then you see all these heavy duty vehicles. And yet, the road they like this. So I could talk to some of the people when they do this protest. Make them tell us, some of the things that they are agitated for. Let me hear from them. Okay, good morning.
Morning, madam.
Yes, so tell me your name and what do you make on the performance for this protest?
I'm native of Eleme.
Okay, say this so that we see your face well.
Okay, I'm native of Eleme here for River State, and as you see, everywhere be blocked. No economic activity, nothing they happen except Okada and Keke and people where they go about their small businesses. The reason why you see Eleme youth they here today, now to tell federal government say picking where you born, can't take care of them. Because every land, every road, gonna know a federal government gets up. And this road always stand on a federal road from 2014 when they awarded to me. Then pick from Akwa Ibom, reach Trailer Park, can't stop. Jump Eleme, go start from Eleme Junction. You don't know where to do federal government. Everybody knows say Eleme now the heartbeat of the nation's economy. Over 400 multinational companies they here. 2 premium refineries they here. Napcon fertilizer plant will be Nutore now they here. Indorama will be the biggest fertilizer company for West Africa. They here. Nigerian custom, they generate nothing less than 15 billion per quarter from this same element where we talk. Very small community, you know, big. But why they no one do the road? Now, what we don't know. Ministry of Niger Delta, where they in charge. The minister, Senator Gosu Akpabio, you don't come here and see element people. You don't promise them heaven and earth. You go do super highway, you go do flyover, you go do dual carriage road, everything we don't hear. But every time you come, now promise and fail, promise and fail, promise and fail. Element people don't write letter. Element people don't do media interview, press conference. Element people don't do stakeholders engagement. Element people don't beg federal government. All of these things, no one will work. So yesterday, the element people say no. Make federal government can't collect what belong to them. The reason is our internal road don't spoil finish. All the trailer, trucks, everything we're supposed to pass on this road because the road no good. Because then they fall. Because their property they damage, then they decide to go past inside community road. So if you enter inside community now, community no get road again. All the community road don't bad. Because why? Federal road bad. So community say no. We no get road inside, we no get road outside. Now like this people they live. After everything they contribute to the same government. We dey see wetin dey happen for other places like Lagos and North. Wetin we do our own dey different. We will not be violent people. We no dey fight. We no dey do anything. All the property of government wey dey here, we go protect all. All the investment of government, all the investors, we go protect them. But wetin we dey beg na federal government. This road na your own. This one na pikin where you born. If you know say you no go fit take care of and no born am, but you don born that pikin, abeg take care of that pikin. So we appeal to Federal Executive Council, we appeal to President Muhammadu Buhari, we appeal to NDDC. May them mobilize, come this place. Until we see sign of government presence before element will come up for this place. Now, the reason why we stand. My youth leaders can go here. I go want to make you also go there, go talk to them. Themselves get plenty things more than me I don't talk to tell you. Men Nigerians know waiting the bush where they lay the golden egg, they suffer. For this very Nigeria we will do.
Okay, yes, we see say some trucks then block some strategic parts of the road. And some people now already complain, say it's like Jaguda people don't take over the business. Now so it be. What I do to ensure say all those people don't go hijack this process now?
Yes, I will tell you say yesterday the area commander of Eleme Ogokika, SCP Martis Wogov, they here with us. So police presence, they stand by. Nobody don't pick pin for grant from here since yesterday. Nobody don't vandalize anybody's property. And nobody will even fire. Everybody sleep here last night this morning. Nobody run. Nobody shoot one place. Because the youth, they get understanding. Then they civil and they get one voice. And the law enforcement agents took their around to ensure say the protest don't start peacefully. They go end peacefully. So now what we will do with that one. And our guy with the local government chairman, with the chief security officer of the local government. You don't assure everybody and you don't caution them. If anybody will get involved in any crime related activity, collect what no belong to them, they will carry and give law enforcement agents.
Okay, so now how long will this protest go last?
This protest will stay here until we see visible government presence. Koro with our two eyes. So we don't need talk again. What we want now na action. So this government of President Muhammadu Buhari, they say they come for change and they want to consolidate on that change. So this is a part of the change we want. May they respect for elemental government. Thank you, man.
Okay. So now so we see for here. All these places that they blocked and only Okada na they move along. If you want to tell me you football here. Yes, we see the left football now. Football part of the protest. Why on account?
Come out because the road is very bad. This road has been abandoned for years. The federal government neglected the source of revenue to this generation. And several efforts to draw the attention to the plight of the masses and the host community proved abortive. So this is the second day and we are going to remain here until the government can listen to us. Oh, come on here. We dey play ball here, we dey cook here, we get DJ here, everything they said. That is why we are here.
And as well we see there, the people, they don't cack, they don't sit down, and then they wait say, make federal government mobilize to site. This is how you be for Refinery Junction. We will carry on and go some other portions where the road then they bad, so that we go see some. We don't snap some pictures where we go show what we they show on for our social media handles, and we want to talk to some youth leaders there where they. Look, we talk to them why them come out so, and what do they really want. But see, go come out them from the road as they sit down like this. And good afternoon, sir. Okay. Okay, good morning. This is BBC Pidgin. Now we see on our sit down here and they do the protest. Why on they do the protest?
My sister, the fire also. You see this road? This community element, now the community will hold Nigeria. The first Nigerian refinery, you go there say na premier refinery, na for element. Two refinery dey element for now. First and the fourth refinery. We get the lighter and ocean terminal for element. We get fertilizing company for element. We get petrochemical and Idurama for element. All the company where they generate money for Nigeria, now here than there. But you don't believe say, as they see, we don't get work, we don't get work. With all this company here. Why? When they come here, they carry their headquarters, go for Lagos or Abuja. Employment comes from headquarters, Lagos or Abuja. As they see us, we know they work. If we they work, we know they will work on the buffet today. But the saddest aspect of it, the East-West Road was awarded almost 8 years ago. All the East-West Road has been constructed. Only the area that concern element from Element Junction to Trailer Park, the area that concern element is being neglected. Check the number of vehicles that ply the road on daily basis. From WAF, from all the companies on element land. Now, because of the bad condition of this road, they cannot go through this road again. Now they start using our internal roads. If you have opportunity, just go through the internal road and see how bad they are now. They don't do anything for us. No lights, no water, no good roads. Now this one now we be hearing that they are awarded to who now? They say Arrow CC. Now what is happening? They say the cash for it has been released, has been approved. So what is happening? So today we decide that we want to know the truth. Whether the presidency is lying, or whether the Ministry of Niger Delta is lying to the nation, or whether the contractor ROCC is lying. We want to know. We want to block here, attract the attention, because all avenue for dialogue has been exhausted. All avenue for dialogue has been exhausted. And we feel that the only approach as an option for us to express our grievances is to do what we are doing today. We want them to come and tell us what is happening. Why in all the nation, all the Element Junction and Trailer Park is being neglected. On a normal basis, you cannot go through this road in 4 hours. You can't. Even they know, even the president they know, government officials they know, security they know that people with all the God and escort, I can't go through this road in 4 hours. The talk about the government. If those that have escort cannot go through the road in 4 hours, how about the government? So we want to know what is happening. We want the world to hear that we, the Nigerian people, we are being neglected, and that's why we are here to get the positive response to the problem of this road. Okay.
Now yesterday we on a start, and today on a don't come again. How long gonna go there for this process?
We had before they say forever. You know why? You know why it suits us? We even prefer make it all remain like this forever. Why? Because no more to the back. No more to the back for our internal road again. Our mama them, people in the house, they sleep now because no dust, no motor. If this road they open, all the vehicles na internal road, they don't pass here now. So why they go bother themselves? They don't pass, they don't use this road. So we are here. We want positive response.
What think that positive response will be?
Why positive response? If the agency, Nigeria Data Ministry, happen to come out that yes, actually, contract has been awarded to ROCC. The money has been paid to ROCC. That the challenge now is ROCC. We know ROCC yard here. We all march down to ROCC. They say they pay for what is happening. Now, the road now, they are dualizing it to 6 lanes. Now, the compensation for the house that will be demolition, how are they going to do about it? They've not talked about that one. Up to this, so how will they construct the road? How will they expand the road? Because they must demolish. This building is going. Almost all these buildings on the road all are going. Nobody's talking about the compensation up to today. So we want the truth. We want the truth. To tell us the truth. What's actually happening? We want it.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you say took your mouth for the matter. What be your name and why on a come here? Waiting be on a real demand.
My name is Prince Etiko, youth coordinator element. Just as my elder brother don't talk, we don't suffer for this road. The road now the road where they give food for the whole Nigeria. Now the road where they put food for big men table. As we dey here, we no get work. We no go anywhere where we dey go. God no make mistake. Carry element come keep here. No matter say we no plenty. But wetin God carry bless us, e too plenty. Wey be say as e dey for Dubai, na so element supposed to go. When they hear the name, when my friends they hear the name, those wey don comot go obodo oyibo, when they come back, they ask me say na here you say you come from. Na here wey NAPCON dey, fertilizer company. Na here wey FOT dey. Na here wey EPC, a subsidiary of NNPC. Na here wey dey na Indorama, the first NNPC in Nigeria and the largest NNPC in West Africa. You say you come from that place, na plantain plenty like this. I say yes, na here I come from. Because as we no get who go talk for us, I make they treat us like this. This road, na road wey be say for 4-5 hours, you go there for this small road wey no reach 5 kilometers. Because since we no get anybody for government, who want talk? If we talk, they will carry gun come. But we say now, whether they carry ammo tanker come, we should kukuma die finish now. Wetin we go tell our children? Kukuma just die finish. Food no dey. Our underground water it don't spoil. The rainwater you cannot test it. You no go even carry and wash. If you touch your clothes, that clothes don't condemn. So all this now the thing where we dey suffer. Tell Oyibo people say make dem come assist us. We We will not get anybody to assist us here. Nobody. We talk like this, nobody will know what they will pass through. So no time now, they go say now politics. No politics. Any person where they follow this road, we say this road good, make it come tell us now. Tankers they fall, trailers they fall, containers they fall. We don't see where container fall come go to. 7 person they inside for 4 hours. Crane never come. They don't die, but they see they underpaid. Say make Oyibo people come talk to us. Make our president understand. Say now this one they feed the nation. No. And just like as I said, if not to become a country, the element is supposed to become a country. Yes, yes. Because element get land for airport, element get seaport, element get everything where country is supposed to get. But you cannot see anything. Only thing where you go see now plantation. You see grass everywhere. Look at the house. So make the whole world come to our aid. We are in the midst of surplus, or we have nothing to show. Thank you.
All right. That's what we see them for here. The people don't talk their mind. I could talk to one person more. What you go add to the demands one that they make for federal government concerning this road, so that maybe people feel pass the road?
Anyway, the only thing we have to add and to support waiting my youth president don't talk. Our people they suffer. We no get road to reach our house. The small internal roads we will get, we will use like trek pass. These giant vehicles don't go destroy the roads. So we don't even get pedestrian who will use our leg, use walk and reach our house. And secondly, the level of unemployment within this town, if you know, you will shed tears. We have the largest refineries here, we have the oil and gas free zone, we have other multinationals present in this land, but the level of unemployment is alarming. The youths have tried, the chiefs have tried to make sure that they curb the youth excesses. If not, all these youths would have gone to, would have turned to armed robbers or started other social vices. My plea is that the federal government should respond positively. They should come and fix this road, and they should create employment opportunities for the host community. Our people are law-abiding, as you can see, very peaceful. So we'll call on the federal government to respond as soon as possible.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now, so we see them for here. The protests, they still they continue today na day 2, and we will end this thing for here now, so that we go take on go another side where these protests they go on. So, hey, I beg you. So that's what we see for this refinery junction. We go end here. You be driver?
Yes, I be tanker driver.
Okay.
Since yesterday, this road has been blocked. With the best federal government, I leader. Beg them, anything they don't say they want to do to this road, when go make us we get to our destination, we go make them go and beg. I beg, I leave my wife and my family for us. I don't get that farm. I don't get that farm when I take the eat apart from this trailer work. I know the thief. And this road, many trailers don't fall. Container, people don't die. Drivers don't waste their life. I beg government.
So you confirm said the road no good?
If the road good, why they okay, then your weekend like this, they block road. I'll be applying this road to Calabar for more than how many years now. I never see this kind of thing. Since yesterday, I'll be here. No going, no coming.
And where you they go?
I they go Calabar. And where they go, I never even hear.
Okay.
I beg with the beg government, make government come help us. I beg at the beg.
Okay, madam, the position of the youth you are seeing here today, we are not happy with what has happened so far. We know they happy with what don't happen so far. We know they happy with what they happen. And element youths, they talk now, say, because of the stress where we they suffer to pass through this road every day, just to reach Port Harcourt and come back, we spend over 10 hours going and coming, so we don't need them again. And the final thing where we want to talk today be say, if those we at Pabio want come here today, come give us another promise, make Ikukuma no come. If anybody is coming from the presidency to come and tell us today, say, we are coming, we are mobilizing in the next 1 week, in the next 3 months, because they are 1 week, they always reach 1 month, and they are 1 month, they enter 1 year, and that's why they go for over 3 years now. Because we don't come here more than 3 times. Today, element use, they say, if in plan to come tell us another super story, we no one hear that. That is the end. We don't want it. We want to mobilize society. That's the only way we are going to leave this road. Thank you. Madam, yeah, this road just make cassava farm. That's our problem now. What to do cassava farm?
The only question I want to ask you, if to say that, you see people will get jobs, now you just snap them, make them talk on behalf of element. Why not snap people like me, make my job go inside, make government say we are suffering? I'm telling you. No person like me, make government see how my job say we suffer here. Because let people want to say I don't fool. That was just the government go know say we suffer. Some people like me when my job go inside and show government say we are suffering. Okay, can you tell me what? Okay,
my name na Divya Samuel Dixie, aka Daigo Prapra. What is happening for here? No go happen for any place in the world. I don't happen for any place in Nigeria. And it happen for element land because we dey tolerate am. People will say the strength of an oppressor is the consistent maintenance of ignorance. Yes. We have kept quiet for so long, and at this point we are saying enough is no. Make the world hear us. Make Nigeria hear us. So we will remain here until they come, not to talk to us, but to come with chipping, tractor, everything, so that as we see, they dualize the road. But if now say we are going to do this road by next week, we know they come out from here. Have you not been so? We not go tired to stay here. Because if they say we go tired, let it be known to them now that we'll stay here as long as we want to stay here until we are being here. Element, now they feed this country, but we are benefiting nothing from this place. People come to this country, and they come to element and make money from element, and at the end of the day, we benefit little or nothing. All our internal routes in the village have been destroyed by these guys. And we are saying at this point, having counted our losses and people who don't die for a year, we want to make them solve our problem. You will not believe that from just Trailer Park to Element Junction will take you up to like 6-7 hours, and we are not benefiting anything from it. Now, where the job now? No job. Where business now? No business. Where good life now? No light, no water, no nothing. Make an answer that one question before I go. If to say work day and we they go work, today they be working day. Now work we day they do. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. That's
Pollution of air, very much important.
the people they vex. The people don't talk their mind. Make we go another section because this one is Refinery Junction area. We go another side where this thing dey, so that we go hear them to make them talk their own mouth. So make una follow us for BBC Pidgin, our Facebook page, for more news and story of what they happen for East West Road, where we see LMA youths, they come block the road. So now so you there for here. We go end them now small, and then we go come back again. That's how the road be. That's how the pavement be. So far only bikes and then maybe vehicles where they inside now in the feet waka. Only bike. So we want enter bike now. Go another side of the road. Make we see how it be. Let the smash.
But it's dirty. There's dirty everywhere here. They're very serious dirty. Dirty. Everywhere is dirty. Everywhere is dirty. Look at this spot to go. Look at the view.
So now go there with us what?
Auntie, welcome. God bless you. Engage Jesus. Come on, man. Come on. Engage Jesus. Engage Jesus. Jesus driving.
So we go show on a small of the road how you be as we dey go. Okay, they go, but not go too fast. So that on a go take time see some of the road how it be, how this side of the east-west road be. See some of the bad spots, and all these ones they cause easy over back. This one has the part of the east-west road from Refinery Junction. They go up to the upper axis. So we don't leave the Refinery Junction side and we dey go there. When we reach here, we will come back again, show how this road is like.